Ille cum magnam partem diei frustra consumsisset, hoc conatu destitit, et ad vulcanum se contulit, ut auxilium ab eo pateret. He, when he had spent a great part of the day in vain, stopped from this attempt and brought himself to Vulcan so that he could seek help from him. Okay, our ille, of course, is still Hercules. And then we've got this ginormous thing here. So how do we know that this cum is cum like when instead of cum like with the preposition? Couple clues. Number one, we've got our subjunctive verb here. And number two, magnum partem is not ablative, it's not a prepositional phrase. So when he had spent, notice consumsisset is clue perfect subjunctive, a large part of the day in vain. He stopped, hoc conatu is also ablative because it's an ablative of separation. He stopped. Separating him is separated from this attempt. And let's see, prepositional phrase here. He brought himself to Vulcan. And then we've got a purpose clause. Why did he bring himself to Vulcan? So that he could get help from him. So we've got the ut plus the subjunctive answering the question. Why did he do the main verb, which is bring?